What you're looking at might look like the work of an extra-talented Photoshop specialist. But don't be fooled. This is indeed a real Mercedes-AMG G63 Limousine. This garish creation is the work of Canadian armored vehicle manufacturer Inkas. The company has allegedly offered an armored, stretched take on the G-Class before, but this version is new and improved. It not only gets an extra-roomy interior with seating for two, yes, only two, but a state-of-the-art sound system, a large television with Apple TV and diamond quilted leather massage seats. As for the armored bits of the car, they include armored plating capable of withstanding shots from a high-powered 7.62mm rifle, along with bulletproof glass. The vehicle also comes with a perimeter surveillance system with infrared and thermal cameras that can remotely upload to a secure cloud server. We're not sure if mechanical upgrades are also in order for this limousine, but the G6's 537 horsepower 5.5-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine would probably pull this armored limo around just fine.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.